Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andika Hardiansyah and I'm from Management 23B with NPM 234-111107. For this time, I will discuss about strategy in action, turning management strategy into results. Let's start the material. Okay. Here's the 5 stages of strategic management. Effective strategic management is a continuous cycle that moves from conceptualization to concrete outcomes. Number 1 is define objective. Establish clear business objectives that are directly aligned with the organization's overarching mission and vision. Number 2 is analyze and assess. Conduct thorough internal and external analysis to understand market dynamics, competitive landscape, and organizational capability. And number 3 is develop plans. Formulate robust strategy plans based on the insight gained, outlining key initiative and desired outcomes. Number 4 is execute a strategy. Implement the strategy through focused initiative, assigning clear accountability, and providing necessary resources. Number 5 is evaluate and optimize. Continuously monitoring progress, evaluate outcomes against objective, and makes necessary adjustment for ongoing optimization. Next is 5 steps to turn strategy into actions. Translating ambitious strategy into tangible results requires a structure and disciplined approach. Number 1 is translate strategy. Break down broad strategy goals into detailed, actionable plans with a specific objective and timelines. Number 2 is prioritize top 3 and 5. Identify and confirm the most critical 3 to 5 actions execution priority, ensuring full leadership alignment and commitment. Number 3 is define initiative. Develop clear initiative with desired owners, measurable milestone, and specific metrics for success. Number 4 is engage and align. Ensuring the entire organization understands and is aligned with the strategic plan for steering commitment and collaborations. Number 5 is measure and adjust. Regularly monitoring progress, gather feedback, and be agile enough to adjust plans as market conditions or insight evolve. Okay, next is why strategy alone isn't enough. Often brilliant strategy falter not because on their inherent flaws but due to breakdown in execution. This critical gap between planning and implementation can cost organizations millions of and impede progress. Here's 3 points. Number 1 is executive gap. Studies show that nearly 70% of strategic initiatives fail due to poor execution, not flawed idea. This represents a massive waste of rescue resources and potential. Number 2 is waste investment. Organizations pour millions into developing strategy and launching initiatives that ultimately never deliver on their promised value due to inadequate follow-through. Number 3 is action required. True success hangs on bridging this divide, transforming grand visions into clear, aligned, and actionable steps to respond throughout the entire organization. Okay. Next is a real-world example. Buyers will both move to self-organize. Bayer and Banker on radical organizational restructuring to boost agility and innovations, offering valuable lessons on the risks and rewards of bold strategy shift. Here's 4 points. The first one is eliminate 5,000 managers. A significant cut the bureaucracy aimed to empowering a frontline teams and fostering greater autonomy. A second one is 90-day work sprints. Adopt agile methodologies with dynamic budget relocations to accelerate a project cycle and adapt quickly. The third one is faster drug trials. The decentralized approach led to noticeable improvements in research and development, expediting innovation cycle. And the last one is stock halved. Despite initial promises, the critical change contribute to significant market volatility, highlighting the challenge of such profound transformation. Bayer's experience demonstrates that while empowering teams and cutting bureaucracy can drive innovation, radical organizational change carries substantial risks that demand careful management and robust support system. Okay. Next is conclusion. Make strategy real. Make strategy win. Strategy isn't merely a document, it's a dynamic process that, when effectively executed, drive organizational success and shapes the future. Here's 4 points. The first one is living process. Strategy must be dynamic, continuously evolving and adapting to internal and external change, not static. The second one is execution is key. Successful implementation demands unwavering discipline, clear organizational alignment, and the agility to respond to challenges. The third one is leverage frameworks. Utilize proven frameworks like the balanced scorecard and combine them with both decisive leadership to bridge the strategy execution gap. And the last one is future depends. The future trajectory of your organization is directly tied to its ability to consistently transform ambitious plans into impactful actions. Embrace the challenge of strategic execution and empower your teams to turn every plan into a resounding victory. Maybe that's it. I want to say about my material for this time. I will say sorry if I'm doing wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.